page 149 in our reader's notebook.
I passed it. I passed it.
149. So we have gone over nouns a long time ago. It's been a while since we talked about nouns. So let's see real quick if we can remind ourselves what is a noun. Zayden, what's a noun?
It's a person, place, thing, or animal.
Fantastic. Person, place, thing, or animal. What does it mean if I say that a noun is singular? Landon, do you know what it means if I say a noun is singular?
No.
Let's see if Derek can remember what a singular noun is. If I say it is a singular noun, does it mean it's one or more than one? It actually just means that it's one. So a singular noun, Landon, means one. One person, one place, one thing, or one animal. Put your pencil down, Levi, we haven't started yet. Plural nouns mean then what, Derek? More than one. So if a noun is plural, it means more than one. What do we usually put at the end of a plural noun? Kaden, put your pencil down. Kaden, what do we usually put at the end of plural nouns to show that there's more than one? S or ES, right. Usually we put an S or an ES. Sometimes we have to change a Y to an I and add ES, but I don't think we need to do that in this case. So there are two different things that we're going to do on this page today. At the very top, the first thing we're going to need to do is draw a line under the noun in the sentence. And then we are going to decide if it's a singular noun or a plural noun. If it's singular, we would put an S in the blank. If it's plural, we will put a P in the blank, okay? S for singular, P for plural. So let's see. Do I have a volunteer who would like to read the first sentence? Lonnie, would you like to read the first sentence?
Yeah.
Okay.
The sharks swim fast.
Fantastic, Lonnie. The sharks swim fast. What's our noun in that sentence? What's the word that names the person, the place, or the thing in that sentence, Landon?
Swim.
I want the word that names the person, place, thing, or animal. Sharks. Sharks. So you want to underline the word sharks. Okay? Come on, Timothy. Let's go. Get that pencil out. Underline the word sharks. Now, is sharks singular or is it plural? What can you tell me, Caden? Singular or plural? Plural. How do you know it's plural?
If it's one shark.
What do you have at the end of the word that tells us it's plural?
S.
There's an S at the end of the word. So you want to write the letter P since it's plural. Okay? So make sure you underline the word sharks and put a letter P because it is plural. All right. Let's look at the second sentence. Volunteer who'd like to read the second sentence. Go ahead, Alita.
4 girls watch.
4 girls watch. What is the noun in that sentence? What is the person, place, thing, or animal in that sentence? Yanessa, what's the noun in that sentence? Yanessa, what's the noun in that sentence? 4 girls watch.
Girls.
Thank you, Yanessa. The word girls is the noun, so make sure you underline girls. So tell me, is girls singular or is it plural? Kinsley, is girls singular or plural? Kinsley, is girls singular or is it plural?
It's plural.
It is plural. How do you know it's plural, Kinsley? What do we have on that word?
S.
Very good. There's an S at the end of it, so we know that it's plural, so put a P on the line for plural. All right, the third sentence. A volunteer to read sentence number 3. Go ahead, Logan.
One boy points.
Very good. One boy points. What is the noun in that sentence? One boy points. Lonnie, what's the noun in that sentence? What's the person, place, or thing in that sentence? Boy. So you want to underline the word boy. Is boy singular or is it plural, Logan?
Singular S.
It is singular because there is no S or ES at the end of the word. So make sure you put an S on the blank for singular. All right, sentence number 4. Volunteer who'd like to read sentence number 4. Go ahead, Valerie.
A girl looks again.
A girl looks again. What is the noun in that sentence, Landon?
Girl.
Girl, very good. And is girl a singular or plural noun, Levi?
A singular.
A singular noun. So make sure you underline the word girl and put an S on the blank for singular. Jose and Derek, go ahead and put that in your desk. Miss Sebastian's here for you. All right, volunteer to read sentence number 5. Go ahead, Gwen.
The animals are gone now.
The animals are gone now. What is the noun in that sentence? The person, place, thing, or animal. Angelina? Animals. Underline the word animals. Is animal singular or is it plural, Gwen?
It's plural.
How do I know it's plural?
Because it has an S at the
Very good. It has an S at the end, so after you underline animals, make sure you put a P for plural. Good. Now that's the top part. The bottom part changes the directions a little bit. It says to read each sentence and then rewrite each underlined noun in the correct plural form. So we only have to rewrite or write the word that is underlined again, but we have to make it plural. And what do we usually do to make a word plural? What do we add to it to make it plural? Jake, what do we add to words to make it plural?
S or ES.
Fantastic, Jake. Thank you. S or ES. So, volunteer to read sentence number 6. Go ahead, Landon.
Look at the crab.
Look at the crab. Now, crab is the word underlined, so we need to change crab, which is one, to a word that means more than one crab. So crab turns into what, Timothy?
Crabs.
Crabs. So we just need to put an S at the end. So you would write the word crab with an S at the end. Okay? Make sure you put an S on the end of the word crab. Crab. Don't be such a crab, Mr. Crab. Mr. Krabs.
I haven't heard that crab. It just seems crabs.
Krabby the Crab. That's fantastic. All right. Volunteer to read sentence number 7. Sentence number 7, Zayden, go ahead.
Do not touch
Do not
touch the claw.
Do not touch the claw. Now, claw is our word that is underlined. It is singular. If I want to turn claw into more than one claw, Valerie, it turns into? We need to put an S, so it would turn into what word?
Claw.
Claws, right. Claw turns into claws. We just need to put an S at the end of it. C-L-A-W-S. Do not touch the claws. Agreed. Do not touch a crab claws.
My dad has.
Okay. All right. Volunteer to read sentence number 8. Levi, go ahead.
Tell the adult quickly.
Oh, you skipped a couple words there, buddy.
Tell the adult to come quickly.
There you go. Tell the adult to come quickly. Adult is the underlined word. Adult just means grown up. We have one adult. We want it to be more than one adult. So adult turns into what, Alina?
Adult.
Adults, which we need to add to the end. Just an S. So write the word adults on the line, putting an S at the end of that word. All right, volunteer to read sentence number 9. Go ahead, Angelina.
The boy can use help.
Very good. The boy can use help. Boy is our noun that is underlined. It is one boy. Boy turns into what, Zayden?
To S to the boy.
Right. Put an S at the end to turn it into boys. So make sure you write the word boys on the line. Put an S at the end. Timothy, did you write it?
Yes. I don't know all of them.
I was hoping that you wouldn't rush ahead. And then last but not least, sentence number 10. Logan, go ahead and read it.
The crabs crawled in the bag.
Nice job, Logan. The crabs crawled in the bag. I really like how you used your skills right there, your practice. Bag is our underlined noun. Bag is one. Bag turns into what? Oh, Derek's not in here. Bag turns into what, Kaden? What do we need to put at the end? Right. Bag turns into bags with an S at the end. Very good. When you finish that, you can go ahead and put that in your desk. Okay, that was just a quick review of singular and plural nouns.